Just finished vacuuming the carpets.
She's gonna do refrigerator. You see what I was talking about? Can you smell it? Yeah, it's just a.
Oh, yeah, I thought it was something like.
No, it's like a peroxide base. But I just know when I first started using it, it threw me off. Yeah, but it's nothing that's. Yeah, it's just a peroxide. You know, the real base of it is peroxide. See how them stains already gone? And see this right here, I just agitate with and work the pre-spray down into the fibers. And then when I do this last, and once I steam clean it, put everything up. Cause that pet treatment has to sit for 30 minutes. Well, at least 30 minutes. Hook that other one up and you can go on the pre-spray. The stairs in the room up there. Steam Team. We are done for today. And hope y'all enjoyed that footage. That rug had some urine in it. We've been doing urine a lot here lately. I ran out of serum urine. We gotta put an order in. I gotta get some more serum. And yeah, that was a new customer. Carpets looked real nice. I like her husband. Her husband's name was Jimmy.
Jimmy, yeah.
And he was like, man, he told his wife, he said, I've never seen a company stay this long and is this precise, setting up everything, taking their time, and everybody else just be in and out. And see, that's just the way the game go. I was just talking to another carpet cleaner. His name is Darius. I think his name is Thorough Carpet Cleaning, and he's from Atlanta too. And he was saying the same thing this morning because he had a video he was doing. You know, I don't know if you remember back in the day we used to take that Haitian carpet shampoo, and you know you make it up in the bucket, and you take the foam and you put it over the sofas. You get a little bit of the water, and and you scrub it with a brush and wash it, and then you come back with your the little thing that that's supposed to, and you rinse it like you normally clean it. And we were just talking about that. I said, man, I ain't seen that method in a while. And he was like, yeah, I be trying to. He just learned about it. I said, I was thinking about going back to that style because that's you really clean them like that. And he was like, yeah, man. You know how it go. People just don't want to do it nowadays because they gotta it take too much. It take more time. And I said, yeah, they go up on the prices and take away on cleaning procedures. You see what I'm saying? And that's the sad thing about this industry, man. People want to go up on their prices. Most of these guys is over the national average room price for cleaning carpet. And they take away so many services. But, you know, hey, it is what it is. But yeah, guys, so I just like when we get good compliments like that. And, you know, that's why, like we were saying the lady, it's been, I mean, we've been doing, man, we ain't spent no money on advertisement in years. I'm talking about, we mostly just word of mouth. But, you know, I want to set my new quota. I want to try to at least start doing, I want to get me two a day like we used to do. But I'm talking about just Monday through Friday, that's it. Keep it on a constant basis. See, like 1 week we may do 2 the whole week each day. The next week after that we may do 1 today, 1 tomorrow, 3 that day, and then Friday nothing. You know, I just want to keep a constant base of 2. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
That way we can take our time, don't be rushing, charge fair, you know how we charge, and still make a nice, good daily. You know what I'm saying? So, but anyway, Steam Team, y'all see your boy done went in there and hooked it up nice.
That's right.
Now, what's the day? Tuesday? Day Tuesday?
Today's Tuesday.
By Friday, I'm gonna be looking like old Snow.
I say a werewolf.
Snow is a wolf. That's about the dog, the husky.
Yeah.
Shoot, why?
Why don't you cut down on how many times you use the beard?
I ain't got no hair up here, so I need my hair right here. I cannot just have a whole bald face. I'm sorry, it ain't gonna. Steve Harvey may pull it off, but I can't do it. Something got to be on her. I'm just saying. I'm just gonna look like a straight milk
I
blood.
was saying cut down on how many times you use the beard conditioner and wash.
That makes the beard,
grow, right?
and it make it nice. I mean, I'll just keep it trimmed. It just, I mean, but you know, before I was using that beard conditioner, my hair, shoot.
So that was starting right there. You could have got in there through that way then.
Probably so. But nah, I said, you know, that beard conditioner, before, you know, my hair used to grow way before then, you remember? Like when I used to to do this, when I had a 360 wave.
I remember, but I just don't remember every 2 days.
You remember I used to have to go to the barber shop every 4 days. Keep that thing right. But anywho, we finna pull up back up at the house. I got me something hefty today. What the name of that thing is?
It is a Metabolism Boost Green Smoothie.
He got
And it has-
bananas, carrots, kale, spinach, what a mango.
Actually, no, you could pick between 3. So one of them was the ginger and something.
You didn't get no ginger, did you?
No. And one of them was a carrot kale something. And one of them was an apple kale something. So guess which one I got you?
I don't care. I'm just gonna drink it. Don't tell me.
You don't want to know what you're going to drink?
Mm-mm.
Why?
I'm gonna come over here and pedal and swerve on Buddy. I seen him out here walking to the color of the day. I said, I wish I would have been in. I would have made a big old circle right here. They just looked at him like, get your weight up, homie.
I don't even
But
think
anyway,
people do that no more.
nah, that was back in the days. But yeah, man. All right, guys, we will see y'all Thursday. We got 2 Thursday and Friday. We back at the day. No, when we go back?
We doing something. We don't know the schedule.
I know I got something Friday. I don't know what it is. I thought it was the daycare, that girl.
I think that's Friday.
Next Friday.
I don't know.
Well, anyway, we will see y'all Thursday. Today is Tuesday, and I'm finna get in here. I got to clean out the garage because the people come in Friday morning to install our new garage doors.
So that's what you got to do Friday.
Oh, we got to go
then.
buy them openers too.
So that's what you got to do Friday. You don't have no appointments Friday.
Okay, yeah, I got it. Well, I ain't got to be here with them. They got to put them out, not me.
But you don't have no appointments Friday.
Okay, I knew it was something on there. But anyway, so yeah, they coming Friday, and they got to putting up new garage doors, and I got to clean all that stuff out the garage. I got a stair climber, a treadmill, a walk behind, big old lawnmower. Then my brother other lawn equipment over there. Then he got a whole bunch of stuff in here that he had in here, and he came by here yesterday. That's when we supposed to start it. But then when he got here, cause Snow spent the night with us because he had a Super Bowl party. So he came and picked up Snow and left. We didn't even start working. So
He
I
didn't
already
even
know.
get out of the car, did he?
I'm saying I already know.
Had to deliver snow to the car.
No, he got out. He walked in the house and everything, but
Oh.
we didn't do no work. So I already know now that I'm gonna have to just go get me some. I don't know. I'm probably send Julio out here help me. 'Cause that boy there, I ain't finna depend on that. But anyway, Steam Team, that's what I got going on for the rest of the day. And somebody was close on answering the question, y'all. That's what we're gonna start doing. We're just gonna do questions. I ain't gonna do the keyword no more because it's starting to. I tell people when I first started the keywords, I told people that don't put the keyword in the comment of the same video. You have to wait till it may not be like Thursday when I go out. I may not ask for the keyword then. You got to just wait in the video for me to say, hey, what was the keyword for, what was that, Monday's video?
Mm-hmm.
You don't never know when I'm going to ask for it. So you just got to be alert and ready. That's why I like to make it a game. But a lot of people comment and they put the keyword in the comment on the same video. So evidently, you know, if they didn't see the rules, because sometimes they may not have saw that video where I explained it. You see what I'm saying? So they don't know. And so what we're going to do from now on, I'm just going to ask a question from a previous video. And y'all just have to go and look in that old video and just answer the question. So right now, the question that I asked yesterday pertaining to the 2 videos I posted Sunday was what day our furniture was going to be delivered. Now I know somebody answered it and they was close. They was real close, but they didn't get it. So if anybody watched, go look at those videos. Sunday I posted. It's 2 of them. One of them says Super Bowl something, and the one before that was Liquid Gold, the thumbnail. Mm-hmm. But anyway, I posted them both Sunday, and I posted them back to back, like 2 hours apart from each other. So go check them out, and I need to know when that furniture gonna be delivered, and you'll win. And alrighty then.
All All
Y'all
right,
be
y'all.
blessed. Enjoy the rest of your day. It's nice and hot out here, man. Georgia weather is a trip. Last week it was almost snowing.
They said it's gonna get back cold towards the weekend. So
And then here it is now, 60,
see y'all
70
later.
degrees. You just don't know how to dress. All right.